what position is this? Hook lying, like hook.
Yes.
Hook lying position. Hook lying position. Now what I am doing here is, okay, so I will ask a person to use his gluteals. To use his gluteals. So now what I am going to do here is, I will ask him to lift the pelvis up. Lift your pelvis up. Now this is the normal person, what the normal person will do. If there is no gluteals, what the patient will do here is, one side, the affected side, it will be dropped like this. Because there is no gluteal contraction. Okay, now how you will promote this? You will ask him to lift. As I already told in last class, which type of contraction we need for maintaining posture? Isotonic or isometric? Which type of muscle contraction? Isotonic. Isometric. Isometric means holding for long time like this, without changing the length, holding for long time. So if you want to hold for that, gluteal muscles are for what? Gluteal muscles are postural muscles. So how will you train them? Lift. You will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Okay. Again lift. Like that you can increase the count. The more you are increasing the count, more isometric contraction, the capability of muscle will get improved. Understood?
Yes.
The more you are going to get, the more. See, in a whole day, how much time you will be in sitting and how much time you will be in standing, how much time you will be in lying. The more time you will be in sitting, the more time you will be in standing, playing football or walking here and there and all. So you need a good postural muscles. And this is the very important postural muscle which we want to strengthen. You understood?
Yes.
So that is very important. If you are going for stroke patients, concentrate on their trunk, and moreover, trunk means this is all trunk. From here to here. Okay? All is trunk. We will call up to here it's an upper trunk, below that it is lower trunk. Understood?
Yes.
This is upper trunk. Up to umbilicus, above it's an upper trunk. Below that it is lower trunk. Lower trunk is very, very, very important muscles. Very, very important for our daily activities. Without that we will call it as base. You are sitting base. Okay? If there is no base, you will go like this. After some time, what will happen? Once if your muscles get fatigued, you will go like this. Starting you will be like this because they are contracting nicely. Slowly they will go back. You will also go in your low position. Understood that? Now, so first one is lifting. This is basic. Now, if someone is not able to do this, as I already told, you have to try to lift like this with someone. Initiation, if patient not able to lift that in acute stages, down. Otherwise, you hold here, encourage him to do that. Okay? If this is difficult, put some towel, hold and try to lift this. Always your position is also very important. If I am like this, there is no much load on that. If I am like this, if I lift, more load on this. You understood?
Yes. Yes.
Physiotherapist position is very important because you are the person who has to treat the patient for years together. Your profession is physiotherapy. You have to be in physiotherapy for a long time. If you do this, within 2 or 3 months, you will be in this position. Someone has to treat for you. You understood?
Yes.
So always go for ideal position. See? Now, here is my liver. If I do this, here. Okay? Here it is hip, hip. Here it is spine. Load is on my spine. Okay? Now next, after this, if we can able to do this, next thing is crossing, lift. This is much more advanced, where you can give more strength for the hold. Used to know this. Lift this. So more strength you can get. Okay. Next, progression. progression. Progression means more complicated lift. This is little more complicated. Okay? Now I can see when I am walking. When I am walking, how will I walk? This is not going in and same like this. Okay, I am walking. So we need a pelvic rotation. We need a pelvic rotation. So you want to teach that pelvic rotation earlier. Okay, lift your pelvis up. Now move this. Don't head. Only here. Down. Come on, lift. Down. This one up. Then again down. Okay. So here itself you want to teach the person pelvic rotation. No need to touch his glutes. You can just lift. Okay. Educate this. This is very, very, very important. Without this, patient can't walk properly after your treatment. When you want walking, if you are not training this rotation, they can't go for rotational activity. So it's better to go for rotations in the earlier stage itself. You understood? Yes. So these are the things which you can do for bridging activity. Cut.